Welcome back to the Uber Tablet Blog. My name's Hugo Ortega. Now, I'm extremely excited about the FedEx man, aren't I? So he's come, he's gone, and he's delivered. Now, the time has come to unveil what he delivered. Now, I get one shot at this because I'm going to do an unboxing for you. And for some of you it may be momentous, for some of you it may not. It's not the HTC Shift, it's not. Although, no, I won't say anything. It's not the HTC, but what I do have, and let's unveil it. And thank you for those of you that were actually following the post, and I apologise for desperately keeping you hanging on. But what I've got is the OQO O2 and docking station. Now, and another goodie there. Now what I'm going to do is let's peel it open together and see if we can't get to know it a little bit, and then in the next few days, obviously, I'll put it to the test. By the way, this is going to become my full-time computer of sorts anyway, for emailing and mobile PC over the next few months. So let's take a closer look at what we have. So there's the packaging. Now the packaging is fantastic. I mean, it is the sexiest packaging available. Everything black, everything sleek. So let's just peel it open. You have to excuse my lighting. I'm subject to sunlight here. And there we have. I mean, you can tell I'm a geek. I mean, I'm drooling at the sheer sight of this. And there we have the OQO O2 sitting inside its lovely little box. And let's pull it out. Oh, look at that. It is so much nicer than I expected. Now let's see what we do. Is there any more information about the Model 2? Like, I need the battery to remove the battery, press the button. Okay. Now let's see how. Please don't make it tricky for me, OQO, and don't make it easy for me to drop. Look how glossy the screen is. It's small. This is awesome. Let's have a look at the slide out screen. Alright. Now, one of the things, for those of you that have been following the UMPC scene, you know of the Medion or Arimia, I think they call it, UMPC with slide out screen, 7-inch device. I held that in Seattle at the head office of Microsoft in Redmond. And the biggest problem was that as you turn it sideways, the screen itself in thickness was the same as the actual computing or computer component with battery. Now what that meant to me was, if you can see here with the OQO, the screen on the OQO O2 is remarkably thinner than the rest of the computer. Now if you had the two the same, what happens is you have a very top heavy device, but on this it's got quite a nice feel. Now this is the first time this has been in my hands ever. It arrived about an hour and a half ago, and I did not open it because I wanted to share the experience with you. So that's how loyal I am to you. Alright, let's put that aside. We're not going to look in the box. For the sake of time, let's open the docking station. And for the sake of me, because I can't, this is one of the most exciting things, I believe, to come out of these devices, or devices today. Now, let's have a look, Now, bear in mind, this is the first OQO O2 opened anywhere outside of North America, in the United States. So, that's pretty exciting. Let's have a look, Now there's the famous dock, DVD RW dock. Now this thing, as we saw it on Engadget, if some of you followed Engadget on this, was just so nice. There you have your tilt. Now I've never used one, so I'm hoping I'm not going to break it. There's a USB port, 2 more USB ports there, so you may as well have a bit of a tour, yeah? The famous Hugo Ortega remote control tour. So we've got, what's that? Oh, that's power, I believe. Well, one of these is power, and one of these is HDMI. I believe that's HDMI there. There's VGA. There's the, what would that be? Audio out, perhaps? Ethernet, 2 USB ports, HDMI. There's a Kensington lock type scenario. As we go to the front, you've got this nice slither there for the DVD to go in. There's the, as I described, the USB port. Now black on black on black makes it hard for the camera to zoom, but it's all there. There's a nice alloy or steel arm, foldable, that hosts the port replicator. So let's see if we can dock the OQO on here and see what it actually looks like as an experience. This is literally just the sexiest thing ever. Now sorry that I'm getting carried away. The VIA is the processor that runs this little baby. It's a 1.5 gigahertz VIA processor. Now hat off to VIA. This is the flagship, I guess, of the VIA processor. But Tablet Kiosk is using the VIA processor also in the new Tough Tab 7-inch ultramobile PC. They've also used it in the EO V7110 ultra low voltage, again, ultramobile PC. And there's countless others that VIA is working with to develop new devices with, again, based on the C7M processor. And I guess it's very timely that we've announced the new sponsor here at the blog as VIA Technologies. So this arriving had nothing to do with them. This was purely me using my skills to obtain these devices. And that is going to replace my desktop. This is sweet. Now, let's just put that down for a second and grab the battery. Peel that open. Now, everything about the packaging is just black on black on black, right? And there's the extended battery, what they term the double capacity battery. And it's a 9,000 milliamp battery. Now, interestingly, it's actually not much bigger than what's already in there. So let's just see if we can release this from the dock. Hopefully you just pull that up. Now, so just so you get an idea, there's the 4,500 milliamp, half of the extended, and as you'd probably predict, the 9,000 is double its thickness. So again, the famous black on black on black challenges the camera, but it is literally double the thickness. So this has been Hugo Ortega with the OQO O2, and it's going to be hard for you guys to pry this away from my fingers. Let me know what you want me to find out, let me know what you want me to post about, let me know what you want me to test, but literally this is going to replace everything I'm currently using. Now, one last thing, just pause for 2 seconds. I'm back. Now, as you know, I recently joined the Gotta Be Mobile team in the United States. I'm an official member. You can see I've got a splotch. And these are the official mascot for Gotta Be Mobile, or as they say in America, GottaBeMobile.com. Now, that's my tacky attempt at an American accent. Now, I will be posting on May 10th an update video to the OQO O2 and my interaction with it. Feel free to talk to me on the blog about it, but my next video will be on GottaBeMobile.com. So this again has been Hugo Ortega from the Uber Tablet blog with the OQO O2 and portable docking station. about to have the time of my ultra mobile life. Till next time, bye bye.